Here we are in a newly constructed East Wash Park home. I'm Kristen Harris with milehimodern, and I'm so excited to give you this tour today. As you walk in the front door, you immediately notice the transitional, warm and inviting feel throughout. With over 6,700 square feet, the floor plan offers flexibility. The developer partnered with an outstanding interior design team who thoughtfully curated every room in the home. On the second floor, you'll find 3 ensuite bedrooms. The primary bedroom is spacious with vaulted ceilings and a spa-like bathroom. As you continue to the 3rd floor loft, you're greeted with a western-facing rooftop deck. With close proximity to Wash Park and to local establishments on South Gaylord Street, this home truly has it all.